Hi there, everyone, and happy Monday to you. Kimberly Beer here to talk to you about your mission for this week, which is to update your About page on your Facebook profile for your business. Now, this is something that I do every few months, and if you've been with me since way back in January, you'll remember I did an episode on this. And if you go back and look at that episode, I bet when you come here, you'll see some things have changed. I'm going to tell you that just about every time that I come to Facebook and go to my About page, which is every few months that I check on this, I tend to find that Facebook has made something new or there's something that I might have missed from before. So you want to keep your About page as up to date as you possibly can. And sometimes when you're creating your Facebook page or when you're very first started getting with doing Facebook advertising, you tend to gloss over this a little bit, but it's a really important component for your clients to really build trust in your business. So let's look at some of the things that are on here. So the first thing I want to draw your attention to is this username. If you do not have a username for your business, then it's really important that you go ahead and get one. In my case, it's at kbeerphoto. But you make your username fit your specific business. Now, what this allows you to do is it allows you to tell somebody to go to facebook.com/ whatever that username is, without the @ sign, by the way. So in my case, it'd be facebook.com/ kbeerphoto. If I tell someone that, then they can get directly to my page. They don't have to search for my page. In reality, there's another Kim Beer out in the world who is a photographer, and oddly enough, she's in the state of Missouri. So she doesn't do equine, so it's pretty obvious when you go to her page that it's not my photography because we're very different in style, but it's very confusing. So it's imperative that I have a very direct way of getting people to my Facebook page so they can like my photography page and get updates and posts from me. And the username is the way you do that. So if you do not have a username, and by this way, this used to be called a custom URL, but if you don't have it, then that's number one on your list, is to get that done. The second thing you might want to do is go down through these items here and see if there's anything that you could fill out that maybe wasn't there before. So here's an edit biography, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a biography. One of the things that I really recommend that you do is that you write your common things that you use in your different descriptions and about pages and all of that kind of stuff into a text document. And I recommend TextEdit or Notepad, not Word or Pages or one of those applications that use word processing, but a TextEdit page. That way it's not going to be, it doesn't have any extraneous code that can somehow get transferred. Facebook is going to strip that out for you, but not everywhere will. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy this, and I'm going to paste it by right click and paste over here under biography and click on save. And you'll notice that now that appears up here with my other information. So here it says about what my business does, and it's just good to audit this every once in a while because sometimes things change and you don't often get to the about page on your Facebook page. By the way, just so you know, to get here, I just simply came to my Facebook page, so I'll go back to that, and clicked on the word about. That was as simple as it is. Because I'm logged in as an administrator, now all this stuff is editable. All right, so I'm going to scroll down. There's something else I want to show you here, and that's under this Edit Other Accounts. So Facebook is becoming a hub of all of your social media activity. So I'm going to go ahead and add an account, and my Instagram account is also under the tag of Kimberly Beer. Now, here's where you don't want to put an @ sign or anything else. What you want to put is whatever your handle is on these particular sites. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add Account. I also have a Twitter account that's at Kimberly Beer. And I have a YouTube account, which I particularly like to keep up to date. And we're going to click on that as Kimberly Beer as well. I'm going to click on save. And let me just show you how this works. So Instagram, we're going to click on it, and it's going to go right to my Instagram account. All right, so this didn't go to my Twitter account. I wonder why. So let's go ahead and put in Twitter youtube.com/Kimberly Beer. Save that. Voila. Now, nope, it still is not editable. So Facebook is putting you through to Instagram easier than it is Twitter. It makes it a clickable link because Facebook has an opportunity to send you there because they own Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and put in youtube.com/Kimberly Beer so people can find me there as well. So just in case they want to, they can just copy this and go directly to that particular page. So if you want to know how to get to your YouTube channel URL so people can find you, you do need to have a YouTube channel instituted before you can get a custom URL. And you're going to go to your channel. So when you go to YouTube, you'll click on My Channel, and that's where I'm at right now. Now I can go to Video Manager, which is right here above my timeline cover. Once I'm here, I will go to Channel. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to give me all of my little list for my channels, and then I can choose custom URL here. You'll notice it's enabled and it is Kimberly Beer. So it will take people, if they go to youtube.com/Kimberly Beer, you can get to my YouTube channel. And hey, if you haven't already subscribed to it, come by and subscribe. You do have to have a certain number of subscribers before they'll let you get a custom URL, and that changes like everything does, but it will tell you what is enabled and what is ineligible for your particular channel. For example, for paid content over here, I'm up to 700 and something subscribers, but I need 1,000 before I can offer paid content. So it'll show me as ineligible here. So you might find you are ineligible for a custom URL, but that gives you an opportunity to go back and do some work so that you can get one. Meanwhile, if you don't have a custom URL, you can come up here when you are on your channel and you can copy the address. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Go back to YouTube, sorry. And you will be able to see what your channel URL is here. So if you copied this, it would take people to your channel. And because they're not an administrator for your channel, then it would show them as either a first-time viewer, if that's the first time they've been there, or a returning subscriber. If you want to know what those things look like, you can look as view as, you can look at returning subscriber. You have an opportunity, and I'm getting off topic here, but you have an opportunity to set that up within YouTube so you can control the experience that your users have when they get to your YouTube page. All right, thank you for this time today that you spent with me, and just get to your Facebook About page and take a look at what's there and edit everything you possibly can so that people can find you and be more involved with your business, both on Facebook and in the other places where your business hangs out. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you next time around. Thanks.